Hey y'all, welcome back to Thrift Store Thursday. I got out to the thrift store right before they shut it down, y'all. So this may be my last Thrift Store Thursday till we are able to get back outside. So this is a very small haul. I got some good stuff. So we're going to start off with these beautiful salad bowls. They have the leaf print inside. And I paid 49 cents. Y'all can see that, 49 cents. And it has like the frost on the outside of it. Very pretty and elegant. And I was able to score 4 of them. So I got 4, $2, 49 cents. That'll go with my collection. And I found the matching another bowl. I guess this would kind of be like maybe your miniature salad plate, maybe appetizer plate, and then they had the bowl to sit on right inside, and these were 49 cents. Very pretty and elegant. Look at that. And actually it's a rose imprint inside, and then it has the vine, the leaf for the flower. See that? And I got 4 of these for $2. Very nice set. I wish they had the bigger plates, then I would have had a nice little 3-piece set. So I got these and these. Like I said, this is a very small haul. So I was in there with my mask, went in, right back out. I found these cute, like what do you call these? The hot tamale or the peppers, chili peppers mugs. And they were 49 cents. They only had 2 of them. So I scooped these up. Look at the inside. It has the it has like a little chili inside the mug. Let me put the tissue down. So I got 2 of these, and you will be seeing these as well. Upcoming tablescape. And these are handcrafted in China. Mesa International. May have to do a little Google search, see if they're worth anything. But 49 cents, got 2 of them. Found me from Hallmark French lace dollies, 49 cents. Does it say? I don't think it says how many that's in a pack. But I found these. And these are 49 cents. Very pretty for like an English tea party. I hope there's quite a few in here. Looks maybe about 10 or 12, so very nice. Very different pattern compared to what you get at the Dollar Tree. 49 cents. And I came across these. They're like maybe the milk glass pattern. These are my first sets of milk glass plates that I'm able to find, and it has a pattern. Anybody know if I am saying this correctly, if this is milk glass or if it's not? If you can drop me down in the comments and let me know. What I know it's vintage, what type of plates these are. I would definitely appreciate it because it does not have any markings. Now it was only 3 in the pack. I thought it was 4, but I'm looking at it now and it's only 3. So these were 49 cents. And I thought this was a great deal to jumpstart, you know, like my blue and white collection. I'm not really into the blue and white, but I do plan on using these this summer. It'll go very nicely, you know, with the picture that I scored at Walmart, and a little miniature picture, so I can do like a little you know, dessert something, but it's only 3 plates, so you'll see how I work this into a tablescape. And the last thing that I found was a little sharp jean jacket. Look at this, barely worn. Nice jean jacket. It's got to get washed, of course. And it's from my fabulous store, Children's Place, in a size 10-12, which is Ariana. So she got a nice little jean jacket, and I paid 99 cents for the jacket. I said for 99 cents, I'll pick this up, wash it up, and we're able to get back out of the house, you know, go to the movies, she'll have a little nice jean jacket down here at my house. So like I said, this was a very short video, and I got in there, had my mask on, had my gloves on. You know, I do not play. I've been going out, but I go into the stores real quick. When I pull up, I throw 3 of these on, and I put my 2 pair of gloves on, and I'm in and I'm out. Because, you know, when you go into the store, you should basically know what you're going in and what you're looking for. So I just wanted to say that I hope everybody's doing well. Everybody's protecting themselves when they go out to the grocery stores, running to the pharmacy, or you know, any other little minor things that you need to do. This will be the end of my Thrift Store Thursday series, because now we are under I don't like the word shelter at home. I'll put we are sheltered at home until April the 29th. And when I ran out the other day to go to the grocery store, the secondhand store is right across from the grocery store. They are definitely one of the businesses that are closed. Anywho, my name is Kel, and welcome to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. If you think this is the type of channel that you would be interested in viewing, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, throw me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let me know that you're new to the fabulous. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And my motto, as I always say, y'all stay blessed, and remember, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I'll see y'all in the next video, and please, please, please be safe.